Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. I'm your host, Techie Noob. And today we've got an exciting and highly requested guide for all you Android enthusiasts out there. We're diving deep into how to install OPlus on your device, a module that can truly enhance your Android experience with some fantastic features. So grab your device and let's get started. Now, for the critical requirements. Please note, this guide is not for OPlus ROMs. If you're already running an OPlus ROM, this module isn't what you're looking for. Your device needs to be running Android 14 or a newer version. Next up, you'll absolutely need a working root solution. That means either Magisk or KernelSU must be properly installed on your device. A quick heads up on features, like full gesture navigation and double tap to sleep. These advanced functionalities generally require root permission to work. However, if you're fortunate enough to be on an AOSP-signed ROM, you might get these features without explicit root permission for those specific functions. All right, with those prerequisites covered, let's get into the actual installation of the main OPlus module. This process is quite straightforward if you follow the steps. Once the core module is in place, you'll proceed to install the main OPlus module. The process is similar to installing any other Magisk or KernelSU module. You can easily install it directly through the Magisk app by navigating to the Modules section and selecting the downloaded OPlus module file. Similarly, if you're using KernelSU, you can use its dedicated app to browse and install the module. And for those who prefer it, if you have Magisk installed, you can also flash the module zip file through your custom recovery, like TWRP. A special and very important note for all our KernelSU users out there: there's one extra configuration step you must take to ensure OPlus functions correctly. You'll need to open your KernelSU app settings. Within the settings, locate and disable the Unmount Modules by default option. Once you've successfully installed the main OPlus module through your preferred method, and if you're a KernelSU user, you've disabled Unmount Modules by default, there's just one final and crucial step remaining. Simply reboot your device, and there you have it. You've successfully installed OPlus on your Android 14 Plus device. Now you can dive in and discover all the enhancements it brings. All the necessary links for the OPlus Core Module and the main OPlus module are conveniently located in the video description below, so you can easily access them. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome Android guides and tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.